Hello class again, how are you today? Well, a new day here. Today we're going to start with unit 7.4, okay? That is the speaking and writing part of the unit. And we're going to see two things as I put you in the platform. The first one is checking into a hotel, okay? And the second one is how to test messages with abbreviations and not the correct language, okay, we use in English. So the first part is very useful because checking in a hotel, more or less you know how to check it, okay? But we're going to see just expressions and questions you could do when doing the checking in, checking out, okay? And also they are useful for the conversation, okay? Imagine, for example, in the role playing, you have to do these things, okay? Or you travel abroad and you have to go to a hotel and you have to ask for information about breakfast, Wi-Fi, timing, wherever. Okay, and the second part is useful not for the exam because in the exam usually it's not asked this kind of writings, okay, they are more formal, but it is very, very useful in English daily life, okay? If you have conversations or if you chat often with other English, okay, English speakers, sometimes you could use this abbreviation, okay? For example, I don't know, if you say here you have several examples, okay? How to write notes shorter, okay? How to write messages shorter, okay? So just to not to put all the sentence together, okay? Go complete the main important words, okay? The keywords is the name. So you don't have to put, for example, the auxiliary verbs or conjunctions, prepositions, these things like that, okay? But I want to improve this part because I think it's useful as well when you use test, okay, testing messages, and sometimes you don't know what's the meaning of some SPMP, LOL, this kind of things, okay? So I send you the platform, two webs with useful information about that, okay? Where you can find the, I think it's the 50 most used abbreviations, okay, when testing, and also an image with some of them, okay? You have plenty of them on the internet, well, but I have made a selection, okay? So in the unit we have we're going to learn how to use short notes, okay, messages, but in the platform I have put you as well acronyms and abbreviations you could use when testing, okay? So there are different things, but I think it's useful, okay, if you want to work with that, okay? So of the first part, checking into hotel, you have several useful listenings, okay, you could do at home because you have the listenings. If not, if you don't have the listenings, ask me, okay? So you have the listenings with situations, okay, but also I have sent you a video with subtitles, okay, where you could follow a conversation when you do a check-in in a hotel, okay? So it's good if you take notes of some sentences at least, okay? And if you could do a dialogue or a kind of monologue, okay? Well, just to practice this part, okay? So I'm going to send also the answers of both pages in the platform. And well, if you have any question, just tell me. It's good to practice this speaking. Obviously, it's speaking and writing. So we're going to practice more speaking when we start classes. But if you want to practice on your own, okay, doing listenings, repeating, and so on, this is very useful, okay? So keep in touch. Bye-bye.